Hello everybody, Robert here. Again, this exercise we want to create a material takeoff schedule and we want to show how you can add a calculated value from the bricks. So this file came from the Accent AutoCAD Autodesk Revit 2018 BIM Management Guide. And the first thing we want to do here in this file, you need this file, I'll be happy to send it to you. Just drop your email address in the comments section. It's good practice. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to the View tab and we want to select Schedules Material Takeoff. Now in the Material Takeoff dialog box in the filter list, let's select Architecture, and we have that selected. And in the category list, we want to select Walls. So we'll go down to Walls. Okay. Now let's name the schedule Brick Material Takeoff. So we can just go here and just say brick. And select in the construction phase. We have new selected and we'll say OK. Now in the fields tab, we want to go and we want to add material name. Then we want to add material area. Material manufacturer. And let's do the material costs. Okay, now let's click on our calculated values. This is the f of x symbol. We've covered this before in some other assignments, but that's what that is. This is our calculated value symbol. So we'll click this. Now here, for the name, we want to say total cost per square foot. And this is a formula, yep. And it's going to be common. And the type is number. And now in the formula field, this is very important. It's very important that you place a space after the colon for the software to recognize. Okay, so let's go. We'll say we're going to parentheses, material. Colon, space area, space, 1 square foot. Close off that parentheses. On the space times space material colon again space and then cost. Now let's create another value here, and this will be total unit of bricks it's a total unit of brick, okay, and the discipline is common, number, and then for this formula we want to have parentheses again, material colon space area space over 1. We close this off, space, times 7. Okay. Now let's say okay here. Now, in the filter tab, so to the filter tab now, let's say here we want to go filter by material name equals, and in this column we will say masonry brick. And here, so now in the sorting and grouping column, we'll go and we'll say we have sort by material name once again. This will be ascending, and we'll select footer here. Now we'll have totals, count, title, count, and totals here. Now in the formatting tab, we want to select area, total cost per square foot, and unit of brick. Okay. And then we want to hear Oreo totals. All right. And then, okay. Now on this drop down right here, we want to select calculate totals. And in the periods tab, modify grid lines and font size required, and we'll say okay. Now, so as you can see, where's all of our units and everything, calculated value based on the area of the brick. Now, here, now let's go into our properties tab, and let's select, in the formatting, let's select edit. Okay. And then we look at field format. Okay. Okay. Okay, we want to clear, let's see, field format, fields, okay. Formatting. Filter. Okay, we're looking good here. Everything seems to be checking out okay. Now, let's go into our properties. Okay. Okay, okay. The formatting. And then we have, okay, so now here, let's just cancel this out briefly. And let's look at our formats here. So what we can do at this point, so the units for the total cost per square foot, total bricks of unit have 6 decimal places. Okay, this is more than we really want to see. So in the properties format, next to format, okay. Okay. Appearance. Damn it. So let me just move this over here. Total cost per square foot. Now, here in the fields format, we want to remove this default setting here, and we want to set the units to currency, and then we can use the $ symbol here, and then we'll click OK. So there's our total cost per unit. Now what we can add here now, also we can go in here, we can add our manufacturer. You can add any manufacturer. This is the default for this project. And then here we have the ability to change, say let's change this to $3. And we can change the units to $3. So basically this is just a quick example of how we do calculated fields for cost and scheduling. So let's close this guy down. Now let's open up our, there's a sheet here with schedules, our planning schedules. And the schedule we just created on the schedules, brick material takeoff is there. And there you have our schedule placed right there. So anyway, folks, that's just a quick example of how you do schedules and material takeoffs and costs. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please put it in the comment section. And if you like this video, like it. It helps me out a lot. The more you like, the more videos I can do. Thanks again for watching, and have a great one. Bye.